Good morning. I am recording this quick video. I wanted to share with you my journey through this cash in the box. I started last week and promoting heavily online with a ton of response. And over the weekend, I got my marketing packet, which when you start with cash in the box, depending which level you come in at, you will get a marketing packet so you can start promoting this business offline. Okay, so I wanted to share with you, I got this in the mail from the company, and in here is a getting started guide with directions, how to send out your flyers, where to put flyers if you're not mailing, how to do things on social media, the website where you can get digital training. Okay, then it comes with all of your flyers. Okay, so you can get started at the $20 level. There really is a level for every budget. So $20 level, $25, $100. I can't get that in my camera. $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000, and even $2,000. So there is a budget for everyone. And when you join, depending what level you come in at, your marketing kit will be different. So at the $50 level, you get 25 leads and 1 book of stamps. At the $100 level, you will receive so at the $100 level, you'll get 2 books of stamps, 50 leads, 40 envelopes. The $200 level, you'll get 100 leads, 3 books of stamps, 60 envelopes. So at each level, you will get more materials to get started with, okay? So basically what's going to happen is I got my flyers. I also got my labels. They come right in your marketing kit, so they peel right off, and you can stick them, they peel right off, stick them right to your envelope, so it's super easy. And a plain white envelope, okay? Take your flyers, and you'll fold your flyer, and you're going to stick it right in your envelope, okay? You will then take your stamp. I think you all know how to do this. Your stamps and put it on your envelope. And I do attach a return address label because in an instance where the address is incorrect, it may come back to you. You can reuse those flyers. So I did print myself off some return address labels. I don't know what I did with them though. Anyways, so return address labels. And now that it's this time of the year, you can use colored envelopes, maybe orange for Halloween. You can find something for Thanksgiving, red for Christmas. It just helps people open their mail. So then I already took and my flyers, and I put them in my envelope. So this is what I'm going to be mailing today. Okay, so you can see my information here. And I'm going to basically go stick them in the mailbox. That's it. So the more flyers you mail, the more income you will receive, and you will just start to receive cashier's checks, or some people really mail cash in the mail today. And you will just start receiving those in the mail. So you mail what your budget affords you to do. You get starter stamps with this program. However, you will need to replenish those stamps. You will need to purchase more envelopes. So you want to look for good deals. There are places out there that you don't have to go to the post office and buy those stamps and don't have to pay full price. And those are some things that we teach you to help you keep your expenses down. So today, my first mailing's going out. I have tons of leads that are coming in online, and I look forward to sharing with you a little bit more here in the week to come as my success with this program grows, and we look forward to helping you get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Below will be a link. You can connect with me on Facebook. Comment if you want to get more information. Comment on this YouTube video. We can connect that way and get you started. Okay? So have a great day, and I look forward to your success in the future. Bye-bye.